Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ria Wahyuni, student ID number G1D02510009. In this video, I will share my opinion on one of Salif Zapata's videos, which discusses the views of European teenagers on the phenomenon of living together before marriage, often called cohabitation. This topic is interesting because it highlights the significant cultural differences between Western countries and Indonesia, particularly regarding social values, religion, and applicable legal regulation. Throughout this presentation, I will share my personal opinion on how this phenomenon is viewed in both cultural contexts. My personal view after watching the video is that teenagers or young people in Europe tend to view relationship as more flexible and not necessarily bound by marriage from the start. They view living together before marriage as a way to get know each other better and thus compatibility before making long-term decisions. In my opinion, Sarif Zafata described this phenomenon as something normal in Western culture, although it does not always align with the values held by Indonesian society. These differing views demonstrate that family, religious, and relationship commitment norms in Indonesia tend to be more conservative than those in Europe. In Indonesia, cohabitation without marriage is not only considered morally and socially inappropriate, but also carries legal consequences. The late Criminal Code Law Number 1 of 2023 stipulates that cohabitation between an unmarried man and woman is punishable upon complaint from close family members, making this practice not only a question of values but also of legal relevance. Furthermore, it is important to examine how the European Union regulates cohabitation. Regulation European Union number 2016 1103 and Regulation European Union number 2016 1104 provide a legal framework for married and registered couples regarding the management and division of property, particularly in a cross-border context. In some European countries, couples living together in a de facto union can even obtain rights regarding property, inheritance, and financial support, primarily through a cohabitation agreement. This European Union regulation indicates that while cohabitation is not considered the same as marriage, there are legal mechanisms that protect couples living together without formal ties. This differs from Indonesia, which still consider marriage to be the legal basis for living together. These differences illustrate that views in cohabitation are heavily influenced by culture, religion, and law in each country. So, understanding the context is necessary before assessing the practice.